at you with another video of the four-wheeler. We're gonna take the headlights out, install some cubes in the headlights, and I'm gonna wire them in to where I have high and low beam, just like a factory headlight. I'm gonna wire them into the wiring harness to where we can make them work with the switch up here. And then we got some rock lights that we're gonna replace these with. Today is kind of a special, exciting video. At least for me, I'm excited. So AUXBEAM reached out to me and sent me some rock lights. These things are freaking massive. They look good, they feel good. You can just tell when stuff is cheap, and these feel like a good product. So yeah, they sent us some rock lights. These are RGBs, and they do have white. I'm not 100% sure if it is like a pure white, but they send you a little controller, then they have an app that you can download and control everything from your phone. Work lights, light bar headlights, whip lights, all that good stuff. They got it to where you can sync to your phone or sync to your music, and the lights will strobe or whatever with your music. You can just do all your colors and stuff on the phone. But this little pamphlet, it tells you everything and how to do everything and all that good stuff. Here's your control module. Hook it up to your battery. You can turn it on either with the remote or with your phone. This is where you hook your rock lights up at and all that good stuff. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. I think they're gonna be super bright, and I think they will actually last a long time. So, pretty excited about it. And then we got AUXBEAM sticker. Then we got their pod lights. Comes with a wiring harness. They're all plug and play. If you want to wire them in to your headlights, like I'm gonna do, you're not gonna be able to use their wiring harness because you obviously have to cut your wiring harness and splice and all that stuff. So a little more difficult, but comes with a wire harness. Everything is sealed, ready to go out of the box. Comes with all this good stuff, baby. Comes with a little switch, everything you need. Relay. And then you got these little protectors. If you're not using your lights or whatever, if you don't want to use them, put these little protectors on there. Keep your lens all pretty and stuff. That's what they look like. I guarantee you these things are going to be super bright. I can't wait to put them on. So they have a turn signal in them, driving lights. Then you have your white and turn signal, and then just your, and then you just have your all white, which is pretty freaking cool. So kind of multi-purpose. If you wanted to street legal your bike, you can buy these things, have turn signals and everything in one. And like I said, here's your brackets. We are going to start pulling the four-wheeler apart so we can install all our AUXBEAM rock lights and headlights. Alright guys, we got all the old rock lights off, as you can see, all 12 of them. Let's start installing some AUXBEAM rock lights. So what I did with my old rock lights, I made some of these plates that you can mount them to. The control box up, it's just a power and a ground. So I have this, it's like a bus bar kind of accessory, but it just runs straight from the battery. And these fuses are for each accessory that I have hooked up to it. But all you're gonna do, the black is a ground, the red is a hot, so put the red on your plus side, the black on your negative side. Hey guys, so these rock lights, they also come with two separate, I guess, mounting surfaces. I don't know what you want to call them, but they just sit in here like this, and then the wire will come out the side just like that. Perfect fit. They got a curved one and they got a flat one. As far as the curved ones, if you're gonna mount them to like a roll bar or a bumper or something like that, like I'm doing right here, definitely use the curved one, don't use the flat one. But as far as like flat, like these flat plates, the little mountain brackets, definitely be better to use the flat one. Just a little word of advice, I guess. So we're gonna mount one right here, two up under here, and then we'll have two under here and two over there, and obviously two on that side too. As far as right here, I just self-tapped into the bumper, and I'll do the same thing over here. I may or may not just self-tap into these plates, or I might use their hardware. It also comes with mountain hardware. If you wanted to use their mountain hardware, be a little bit of a cleaner look. Also guys, something I didn't mention with these rock lights, there's gonna be two of them that only have one pigtail coming out. The rest of them will have two pigtails. What I'm doing is putting these with the one pigtail at the end of the circuit, and then we'll just connect them together as we go. So just a word of advice before somebody starts putting these on and mounts these in a spot where they're not gonna work. As far as hooking these up, you got a male and a female end. It's your female, male. There's gonna be an arrow on each plug. If you can see that, there's an arrow right there. And then over here, there's an arrow right there. You're just gonna line the arrows up, plug it in, and then screw this on there so it'll seal it up. But make sure the red O-ring's on there, line your arrows up, and then thread this on, and you're good to go. All right guys, got the rock lights on. It's actually a really simple install as far as hooking them up and everything, plug and play. One thing that I really do like about these rock lights is these have like 10 feet of wires for every rock light. The AUXBEAM rock light have maybe 2 or 3 feet, and then they all connect to each other, which I've got everything kind of tidied up and hidden, but they all connect to each other. So it's just, you know, you bridge them down, and it saves a lot of room as far as like having a lot of leftover wire. That's something that I really like. It's a lot cleaner look. The install went great. Now we just got to do our headlights, and we'll go from there. All right guys, now we're gonna install the cubes. Let's get into it. First off, what you're gonna want to do, cut your zip ties on the harness, pull the harness off all your lights. I'm gonna go ahead and pull my lights out just so they're out of the way because I'm not using them. So to pull the lights out, you just unscrew these little screws. There should be, I think, 3 on each one. Unscrew these, and also just say you wanted to keep your headlights. If you want to adjust them up and down, side to side, you can adjust it with these. If you, just in case y'all didn't know. But yeah, pull them out with these, and I'll catch up to you when I get them out. And they got 4 different wires in here. They got a yellow, a white, a black, and a red. The yellow and the white running light and the turn signals. The black and the red is hot, black is ground. As far as if somebody has an Outlander and wants to do the same thing, wire it into their switch. Your green on your low beam is your hot, and then your black is ground. Your blue on your high beam is hot, and your black is ground. Just to show y'all that it actually does work. This is the low beam. This is the high beam. So, pretty excited for that. Definitely gonna be really nice actually having good lights. All right guys, the lights and the rock lights are done. This is what the lights look like. I think they look pretty good. I've already showed the rock lights, but I'll show them again. Got one right here, one right there. Same on the other side. One here, one there, and one in the back on each side. I've got the rock lights and the running lights on the same switch. The running lights look pretty freaking baller, not even gonna lie to you. And then the actual lights themselves, I have them wired to the switch on the dash, or on the handlebars. So that's your low beams, and then you got your high beams. Pretty awesome, dude. These things are super freaking bright. I'm really happy with them. I think the running lights are like actually pretty awesome. They look really good. I'm really happy with them. The white wire, if you're gonna do it like I did, say you have a four-wheeler or Outlander or Renegade, if you're gonna do it like I did, you splice the wire. You're gonna have a white, a yellow, a black, and a red wire. The black and the red is your positive and negative for your lights. The white is the running lights that I just had on. The white is your running lights, and all they take is a power. The yellow is for your blinkers. I just spliced into the white and put it in that same fuse block or bus bar. So I have them on a switch so I could turn the switch on and they'll come on. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. They look good. We're going riding this weekend. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, subscribe, and of course, go check out AUXBEAM. I'll have a link right here, or there'll be a link in the description below. Let me know what you think about these lights, and if you want to go get you some, you know, go over to their website. I'll have a code that you can get you a little discount off of. Hope you enjoyed the video, and peace out.